Ma'am, let's talk about some food habit for diabetic patients. I've heard that diabetic patients should consume something at regular intervals. What should they ideally keep with themselves?
So this concept of frequent eating in patients with diabetes was established when there were few medicines for diabetes. In last 15-20 years the scenario has changed. Till 20 years back we had medicines like 3 medicines only: metformin, sulfonylurea and insulin. And both sulfonylurea and insulin can cause hypoglycemia or excessively low blood glucose if one doesn't eat on time. Therefore, the whole idea of eating at 2-hourly interval was started. Now, fortunately, we have at least 10 different medicines for diabetes, and at least 6-7 of them do not cause low sugar. So we can actually be, there are some people with diabetes who are also in intermittent fasting, for example, and the concept of eating has changed, the frequency of eating has changed. Over a period of time we realize the benefits of not eating for longer periods, 16:8 and time restricted eating. These things have their own benefits even in people with diabetes if they are not on medicines which can cause low glucose. So, but if they are on sulfonylurea and insulin and there is a risk for hypoglycemia, then they should always keep something handy if they have symptoms of hypoglycemia like sweating, hunger, weakness. So usually we get some glucose tablets nowadays, those are available online also, or orange candies. So things which can increase glucose quickly, or we call it rapid acting carbohydrates. So some things they would, when you eat, they will quickly increase glucose, they get absorbed quickly. So sugar, honey, jaggery, fruit juices, glucose tablets and orange candies. These are things which will help during hypoglycemia. If you're going for a long traveling by road or any means, then keep some eatable things along with you. Usually recommended during these time would be maybe things which will not get spoiled. So fruits are a good option, but if you're going for a long travel, then even biscuits and processed things are fine during that period because those won't spoil. So depending on where you are and what situation you are in, the choice of food would change.